Hello and welcome to this video tutorial showing Teamsite 16.6.1 OpenText Content Server integration feature. On release 16.6, Teamsite delivered Content Source Framework with Google Team Drive connector as part of System Integration feature set. In this 16.6.1 release, Teamsite continues to build on that framework by delivering a new connector for OpenText Content Server as another content source. Select Content Source from Teamsite Administration UI. Note, the administrator can create multiple connectors to different folders within the same content server for better user experience. Notice the different connectors and their status. If enabled, Teamsite user can import assets from that connector. If disabled, the user won't be able to see the connector in the Import to drop-down menu. Let's create a new connector to a folder within OTCS. An easy way to do this is to copy the URL from the Content Server folder to which you would like to map. Back into Teamsite Administration UI, click Add and select OpenText Content Server. Give the connector a name, paste the copied URL, move the folder ID to its field, remove the extras. Depending on your IT setup, provide administrator's username and password or select single sign-on. Finally, save and exit. It is a good idea to test and make sure the connector works. Switch to Experience Studio, go to Asset, Media, and select where you like to import your assets. Select the newly created Content Server connector. Browse, select Files, and click Import. Wait a few seconds for the files to be imported into Teamsite. Notice that image files will show up in Media. Other files will show up under Resources. Let's update some files in Content Server. The Teamsite user can now get the updated versions by clicking on Get Latest and selecting the connector. Select the desired file and click Get Latest. It takes a few seconds to re-import the selected file. Notice the change. As you can see, Teamsite 16.6.1 enabled customers to manage content within OpenText Content Server while providing an excellent user experience to seamlessly import assets into Teamsite to manage, deploy, and deliver digital experience powered by these assets.